Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily weekly time frame. So the bulls right up at the all-time high, 59.38, and we rejected at a double top. So we have to be watching that resistance level closely because the last 3 days have rejected from that level by about the same level, or 3 pennies. So support 59.03. Then I'm looking at 58.90. If we consolidate, which we're beginning to see a little bit of consolidation, just breaking the higher low pattern that had held 6 days in a row, but we will look for just normal healthy consolidation. We are going to anticipate forming a higher low compared to 57.57 to keep the bulls in full control, and the middle Bollinger Band support is ascending a bit more rapidly. That's catching up. That will be a key level to watch as well. So just normal healthy consolidation is on deck and looking for that to play out. So we have a potential bearish reversal candlestick on the weekly. We've seen plenty of those in the past 2 months with no confirmation of any of them. We continue to hold exponential support and run, and we're on the verge of a bullish MACD cross that has rejected multiple times, but on the verge, and if we see a move up into the $60 range in the coming weeks, we will see that cross there. We do have earnings approaching, so in the next few weeks, we're going to have these big name earnings that are going to be significant impact on XLK and these other sector ETFs. So Apple bulls trying to establish another higher low. This 100-day moving average, 4 of the last 6 days, has held the back test of that support and closed above it. So I'm looking at 152 as our higher low, and the bulls now want 152.46 to be another higher low with resistance at 155.09. So if we can break 155.09, we get another higher high. But the weekly time frame right now is still a potential bear flag. Again, after we see a significant pullback, as long as exponential resistances remain resistance, there is still the potential that it could be a bear flag. So we're testing that resistance right now. If we pull back and break 152, the odds that it is a bear flag will increase, and we'll be looking down at the lowest price we've seen of 149.16 up to this point. Facebook on the daily time frame, pulling back a bit more significantly now, and we're closing at the low of the day, indicating that bearish momentum. So the next support is down here at 167.16, and from here, the bulls will have to form a higher low. It's a V-shaped recovery. We're not going to break resistances coming right off a dump low. We're going to have to pull back and form a higher low with a bullish reversal candlestick, and then see a bull move and try and follow through by breaking 171.87 to see a higher low and then a higher high. So at this point, I would be on the sidelines if bullish on Facebook, looking for a re-entry, and also keeping in mind that earnings approaching could see a lot of these names are so close to their all-time highs. Netflix, Facebook, even Google's now close, that we can see these earnings be a catalyst for new all-time highs if they continue to be bullish earnings. So we are not confirming the bullish reversal hammer from last week, which the bulls really would have liked to have seen. So that is keeping us a bit cautious as well. But the daily time frame, we have so much wiggle room before that low of 161.56 that there's not a whole lot of concern, as we will form a higher low. Once that higher low is formed, if we form another lower high and then another lower low, that's when we'll be concerned. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how the end of the week is wrapping up, and we'll see you then.